Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve your Netflix app. To know how to fix or how to solve in Netflix or your issues on Netflix app, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then we click on Netflix as you see. Here in this page of app info, we click on force stop and we click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. And in the end of all these steps, then you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.